What if you could make soft, fluffy, and slightly sweet buns with just a few ingredients? Keep watching to see how easy it is. And there you have it. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. But don't stop now. There are so many more air fryer recipes to explore. Check these out and keep the inspiration going. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.